Oh yes, I woke up very early in the morning, like at around 6:30. I had a call, from my client, and she wanted to plait her hair. And then remember, we are in the quarantine, and they allow us to move from 7 to 7. So I had to wait until 7. So by 7 sharp, I was outside. Guess what? It had taken a long time without riding. Yes, I had taken very long time without riding. So I was just scared on how I'm going to ride up to ride those 19 kilometers. But guess what? I reached there because I had prepared myself very well. I had a bottle of water in my bag, plus the equipment that I was going to use. So this is how I survived. So it took me like 3 hours and a half to reach there. I tried my best, trust me. But this is how I can tell you is what I can tell you right now is, guys, it's not easy, but what I know, I'll get used slowly by slowly. So you see me here, I'm trying to look for the directions because I didn't know that very well. So I'm trying to look for the direction. Whenever I reach, I try to call her so that I reach her. So this is how it was. And guys, the sun was too much, but I had that hope because I had my water in my bag. So the more I would ride, I would take some water so that it gives me energy to continue riding to my destiny. So you can see the house is there. It's where they're pointing me. So here is, I've just reached, I've just arrived to my client. So, yes, so when I reached, this is how all it was. And she was waiting for me to help her because her hair was a mess. Yes, so I'm just going to show you how I did it, and trust me, I tried to be as fast because knowing that I had to go back home before the curfew. So you see the pressure that I was on. But guys, I did it and I finished on time and I reached home safely. So just subscribe for me. Just subscribe for me so that I'll keep updating you some other videos whenever I get those other journeys that I'm going to start, because that's the way we are going to be working right now in this quarantine. But all in all, we have to stay safe. We have to wash our hands, not touching our nose and the mouth. Yes, so that we can protect ourselves from the COVID-19. So please, those ones, you guys can stay home. If you don't have something that you're going to do, you just stay home. So this is how it was, and trust me, there's nothing you're going to learn from this, but all in all, you can see the whole video and how I played it down, how like we made it to treat her hair to come back, and she liked it. So guys, I love you so much. Stay home, stay safe. So, and another thing, don't forget to subscribe, because that one makes it for me. Just subscribe. May God bless you. I love you so much, and thank you for loving Hairzyper. So just continue watching the video and see the amazing work on how I did it, because still, and other videos still coming. Yes, I love you.